Guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to install latest version of SoapUI in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First open your favorite browser. I am using the Chrome browser. Then search for SoapUI and hit enter. Then you will get the official website for the SoapUI, that is www.soapui.com. Open that website. Then here we have the three options for the SoapUI. First one is Ready API, then SoapUI Open Source and Resource Center. So we'll go with the SoapUI Open Source. Just click on Get Started. Now here you will get the option to download it. So let's click on this download button to download. Then we have to select the SoapUI Open Source. So click on this download button. So it will start downloading automatically. So it is 175 MB file. So let's wait till download complete, then we will see the installation. So we have downloaded it successfully. Let's install it. To install it, open it into folder. So you will get this window. Then we have to allow this application to install in your system. So click on yes button. Then you will get the welcome window. Here click on next button. Then this is the part where all your soap file will be stored. If you want to change this path, you can directly change from the browse button. I'll keep it as it is. Then click on next button. Then these are the all packages or components which we need for soap. So I'll keep all these same. Then click on next button. Then click on again next. So this will create our first directory. So click on next. Again, this is the all programs that we need to install. So let's keep it as it is and click on next button. Here we have one option to create desktop icon or to not create. So I'll click in this checkbox to create desktop icon. Then click on next. So it will start installing our SOAP UI. Then just click on finish button. So we have installed it successfully. Let's click on finish. And our desktop icon is also created here, you can see. Then let's open it. So this is our soap UI. Just let's keep this. So from here you can create your new project, the soap and rest UI both. From files you can create a empty project or new project for safe soap UI and for the rest as well. So in this way you can install SoapUI in Windows 11 operating system.